guys, Chris with Goodland Travel here. We're here at one of our favorite resorts in Dominican Republic, Sanctuary Cap Cana. Today we're going to be touring Royalty Villa 2007. So first thing when you walk in, you've got a living space, you've got your mini fridge over there, spot for dining. We don't have anything in there right now, but they have some guest staying later, so they'll be stocking that. Here at the Sanctuary, you're gonna have El Presidente beer, Coke, Sprite, and I believe they have an orange soda that they put in there as well. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. So this is a Royalty Villa. It has 2 bedrooms. This is the master. Has a king bed. You can see in the corner a small desk. And then you have access to your patio directly from your room, which I'll show you in a little bit. And here's a walk-in closet, specifically just for this room. A lot of storage in here. You've got your safe too. Okay, next up we've got the master bathroom. So first thing, you've got an oversized jacuzzi tub, double sinks, and then over here you've got room for the toilet. And then here you've got your walk-in shower, the rain shower head, and a handle attached. Nice thing about this villa is it's got a common space bathroom as well. It's pretty small. You've got the toilet in this corner and then a sink over here. Then this is the secondary bedroom. So you've also got a king bed in this bedroom with a very similar setup. Access to your outside patio directly from your room. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet. It's a little bit smaller than the master, but still plenty of storage. Okay, and then this room also has its own bathroom, so you've got an oversized jacuzzi for 2, double sinks, room for the toilet. And then behind this, you've also got your, there we go, walk-in shower, same as the other room. And then we'll just show you some of the amenities that they include here. So you've got a shaving kit, toothbrush, soap, body lotion. I'll show you the outside patio. These are sliding doors. We made that mistake when we first got in. a little windy out here. I hope you can hear me. So with the Royalty Villa, you've got your own private patio here. You've got your own private pool. This one has amazing views. So right down here, we've got Villa 10067. And on the other side, we've got Villa 1006. Okay. And then the last thing we're going to show you is an outdoor shower that they have for the master bedroom. Okay, so the master bedroom, the bathroom is right on the other side of this door, so you can come right out here. And you've got your outdoor shower head. All right, so again, my name's Chris. I'm the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. We're based out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Give us a call. We have expert knowledge of this property. We're happy to set up specific room requests. So if you see one of the room tours that you like from us, give us a contact. We'll help you set up in the specific room that you would like. And we promise the best rates, best customer service. And we're gonna get one more shot of the outdoor patio for you. And thanks for viewing.
Hey guys, this is Chris, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more of our travel related content. We don't charge anything for bookings. We help facilitate specific room requests and upgrades and help plan special events. And visit our website to learn more about us. Thanks.